Enter the world of the artisans with Dulux ambience. In this video, we will show you how to create the rusted metal effect from the Blacksmiths collection. We will need the following Dulux products and the following tools. Always prep the wall with Dulux primer and putty for best results. Allow all the layers to dry before moving to the next step. Apply Dulux Velvet Touch in deep garnet by roller. Allow paint to dry. Apply Dulux Velvet Touch in Marigold and Van Dyke Red, wet by wet, randomly by brushes. Merge the colors using stippling technique by brush. Allow paint to dry. Repeat step 2 if more depth is required. Allow paint to dry. Apply Dulux Ambience Metallic Silver in Lights Out using sea sponge randomly. Allow paint to dry. Now we have successfully created the rusted metal effect from the Blacksmiths collection by Dulux Ambience. For more collections, visit duluxambience.com. Personalize your world with the new Dulux Ambience collection.